What's up, guys? Welcome back to Carnegie Studios. I'm Chris, and today we're going to be covering a simple practice exercise that you can take and use specifically for seventh chords. Let's get right into it. So, learning seventh chords can seem like a daunting task. Also, implementing them and incorporating them into your chord progressions, into your playing, it can feel like a lot. And I think practicing this specific way is slept on for becoming more comfortable with seventh chords. And that's just practicing the arpeggios, arpeggiating it. What is an arpeggio? When you play a chord in a specific sequence, when you break it up. So you have the block chord that you can play, or you can arpeggiate it, which is playing it in a sequence. And so we're going to utilize arpeggios to be able to become more comfortable with playing seventh chords. And so there's going to be a few levels to this. We're going to be in the key of C. We're going to be utilizing the major 7 and the minor 7. And then also it'll be dominant 7th and diminished 7th as well that we add into this whole thing. So we're going to take our right hand. How do you play a major 7th chord? Simply put, it is the 1st, the 3rd, the 5th, and the 7th note in the scale. So you have 1, 3, 5, and 7. C major 7. When you play a C minor 7, you're going to flat the 3rd and you're going to flat the 7th. So those are the two chords we're going to primarily play. The next is going to be the dominant 7th, where you just flat the 7th from a major 7th, and then diminished 7th. You take a major 7, you flat the 3rd, the 5th, and the 7th, you take down a whole step instead of a half step. So let's play it. It's simple, an arpeggio. In your right hand, we're just going to do the right hand, and then we'll add to the left hand. So level 1, we'll just be arpeggiating the major 7th and the minor 7th chord. So you'll alternate between playing that major 7th and the right and that minor 7th. You're going to play each for 2 measures. So you're going to play each 2 times. So you can also add a metronome as well. So you can add the metronome as well. And let's add a left hand to it. So in the left hand, you can do a block chord. Or you can arpeggiate it as well in your left hand, which will sound like this. That's how you play it. And so take this. This is level 1. Take this and practice it. You can also do a hands together as well. You can keep playing. You can play hands together as well to play it in different ways so that you can get used to different ways of playing it. So that's level 1. The next thing we'll add is the dominant chord. So we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to add the dominant chord in between playing that major to the minor. So it's going to go. So let's play it. We'll just start with the right hand and then keep going. Major, dominant, minor, major, dominant, minor. So you'll keep doing that. Let's incorporate left hand. Right. And so we'll do that. Now, the final level, level 3, which is the most quote-unquote difficult. You're playing 4 different types of 7th chords. So let's go. We'll do major, dominant, minor, diminished. So let's do it. And let me slow it down a little bit. So play it twice and you run yourself through the gauntlet. Okay, let's start back at level 1. Level 1, we just had the major and the minor. This was level 1. Level 2. 3. So it sounds a little dark. It sounds a little mysterious in my head, but you take this and you practice it. It is going to help you with being able to play those 7th chords more confidently and with more comfortability. So you have the major, the dominant, the minor, and then the diminished. And so, yeah. So take that, practice it. Let me know down in the comments below how it's helped you. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.